Good day! Our lesson for today is all about parts of the keyboard. While working in your computer, it is better to type if you are familiar when using your keyboard. In this lesson, you will learn different parts of the keyboard and how to use them properly. The typing keys are the letters, numbers, and symbols in the keyboard. The letter keys. We have top row keys, home row keys, and bottom row keys. The number keys. The symbol keys. The special keys. Name key, picture and its functions. Enter key. It is used to execute a command and goes to the next line. Control keys. It is used in combination with other keys to perform a specific task. Alternate keys or Alt. It is used in combination with other keys for alternate functions. Caps lock key. It is used to change the letters to uppercase letters. Backspace. It is used to erase the character to the left of the cursor. Space bar. It is used to make spaces between letters or words. Shift keys. This key is used to change a letter from lower to uppercase. It is also used to toggle the special symbols found in the keyboard. Escape key. It lets you cancel the command that you have selected. It is in the left corner of the keyboard. Windows key. It allows the Start menu to appear on the screen. keys. It allows you to advance to the next character to a fixed position in a document. It is also used to move between fields in the dialog boxes and tables. Menu key. It opens the menu list when you press this key. It is between the Windows key and Control key or CTRL. Function keys. These are special keys with special commands or shortcut keys on the keyboard. Print screen key. It is used to obtain screen captures. The abbreviation of this key is PRNTSCR. It is located at the upper right-hand corner of your keyboard next to the scroll lock and pause. Insert key. It is used to overtype what you have typed previously. Home key. It is used to go to the first line of a document. Page up key. It is used to move up one full screen in a document. Delete key. This key allows you to erase characters to the right of the insertion point. It is also allows you to erase selected files. Did you know that the keyboard layout that we know today was invented by Christopher Scholz in 1868? His first typewriters had the letters arranged in alphabetical order, but he changed it to the QWERTY arrangement in 1873. He created the Remington Arms Company to build and market the typewriter. And these are the special characters of keyboard. What are the special characters of the keyboard? Can you read this? Of course, we cannot. So, what are these characters? These are special characters which we often use in sentences and paragraphs. And these are the keyboard functions. These characters are often used in sentences and paragraphs. The first one, we have tilde. Example, bamboo organ is found in Las Piñas City. Exclamation point. Example, yes, I won the jackpot. Period. Example, I am 8 years old. Question mark. Example, what is the capital city of the Philippines? Comma. Example, I like banana, apple, and orange. Colon. Example, I want this shirt, shorts, and sneakers. Semicolon. Example, some people write with a word processor, others write with a pen or pencil. Quotation mark. Example, I hope you will be here, he said. Colon. Example, I want this shirt, shorts, and sneakers. Apostrophe. Example, here are some do's and don'ts. And these are the keyboard special symbols. These characters are often used in all sorts of text. We have @ sign. Example, gnapcenter@gmail.com. Number sign or sharp sign. Example, number 169B, Younger Street, Tondo, Manila. Dollar sign. Example, $581. Thank you for listening. You may now proceed to your next task. Goodbye!